All right, you guys, so this is one of those random Amazon finds that I didn't realize I needed until I actually tried it. So these garbage disposal cleaner and deodorizer tablets are actually pretty amazing. I was sent these to test out, and if you've ever had that weird smell coming from your sink, especially after cooking or washing dishes, or maybe if, you know, it's sat overnight and you kind of walk into your kitchen in the morning and you're like, whoa, these are a total game changer. You just drop one tablet into your disposal, run warm water, and let it foam up. It literally fills your sink with citrusy bubbles and leaves everything smelling fresh. Now, if it's your first time to do this, go ahead and use 2 tablets. That way it gets a really good deep cleaning. What I like most is that it's not just masking the odor, it's actually helping clean out the residue and the gunk that helps build up in those disposals. The foam expands and gets it all around so it feels like it's doing a really deep clean while you aren't having to scrub anything. I've been using about once a week, and honestly, my kitchen smells clean again. Plus, it's a 24 pack, so it'll last a long time. Like literally a year's worth if you use them regularly. These are easy, affordable, and they actually work. No harsh chemicals, no overpowering smell, just a fresh citrus scent and a cleaner sink. One of those little things that makes kitchen upkeep way easier. These are viral and trending for a reason, you guys. Definitely give them a try. Highly recommend.